Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about four types present tense. The video will help you improve your sentence structure. Okay, let's get started. I wake up very early in the morning. I wake up very early in the morning. The moon shines at night. The moon shines at night. He goes to work every morning. He goes to work every morning. We are playing football. We are playing football. I have eaten rice. I have eaten rice. She has gone to school. She has gone to school. My mother has been working since morning. My mother has been working since morning. She is making a cake. She is making a cake. I have been sleeping since afternoon. I have been sleeping since afternoon. I have done the work. I have done the work. My mother is cooking dinner. My mother is cooking dinner. Rony has repaired the laptop. Rony has repaired the laptop. The baby is crying. The baby is crying. She has called me for asking. She has called me for asking. We are getting ready. We are getting ready. They have been here for 6 months. They have been here for 6 months. I have seen him this afternoon. I have seen him this afternoon. I am cleaning the room. I am cleaning the room. She is washing the dishes. She is washing the dishes. The children are playing outside. The children are playing outside. They are thinking about you. They are thinking about you. He has left from home. He has left from home. The man is painting the building. The man is painting the building. I am leaving. I am leaving. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. He goes to school by bus. He goes to school by bus. It is raining. It is raining. It is getting hot. It is getting hot. I have already written the letter. I have already written the letter. I have made a cake for you. I have made a cake for you. She has been living in India since 2000. She has been living in India since 2000. We have been here an hour. We have been here an hour. I have got a new laptop. I have got a new laptop. He has been here since last week. He has been here since last week. I have repaired the phone. I have repaired the phone. My father is calling me. My father is calling me. I am coming. I am coming. I am on the way. I am on the way. It has been raining since night. It has been raining since night. I am taking preparation for my project. I am taking preparation for my project. We are having coffee. We are having coffee. He reads a book. He reads a book. We have been chatting for 1 hour. We have been chatting for 1 hour. My brother works in that post office. My brother works in that post office. I have bought some new clothes. I have bought some new clothes. I have seen him recently. I have seen him recently. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. The food is being ready. The food is being ready. They have gone out just now. They have gone out just now. Everybody loves flowers. Everybody loves flowers. The old man carries his umbrella every day. The old man carries his umbrella every day. She is waiting for you. She is waiting for you. It is a big problem. It is a big problem. We are walking along the beach. We are walking along the beach. I have lost my new phone. I have lost my new phone. She has found my phone behind the TV. She has found my phone behind the TV. I drink milk every night. I drink milk every night. My sister has taken the yellow dress. My sister has taken the yellow dress. Refat is reading a book. Refat is reading a book. He learns his lessons attentively. He learns his lessons attentively. We are watching a movie. We are watching a movie. He has been doing the job for 5 years. He has been doing the job for 5 years. I have bought a present for you. I have bought a present for you. We have been watching a movie for 2 hours. We have been watching a movie for 2 hours. They have invited us. They have invited us. We are going for shopping. We are going for shopping. My friend lives in the house over the way. My friend lives in the house over the way. It is going beyond a joke. It is going beyond a joke. She is learning English. She is learning English. I have got some money. I have got some money. He is talking over the phone. He is talking over the phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch more video.